Hold on. Private jets? You're telling me rich people can write those off?
Not rich people, business owners, and yes, legally.
But that's a luxury. How is that a business expense?
Time, if I fly to meetings, factories, investors, the jet is a business tool.
So it's not about flexing?
No, it's about efficiency. If the jet is used mostly for business, the cost can be depreciated.
Depreciated? Meaning?
The business spreads the cost as an expense over time, lowering taxable income.
So the jet reduces taxes?
It reduces taxable profit, not responsibility. You still follow rules, logs, and usage limits?
So the jet works, and the tax code recognizes it?
Exactly. Poor people see a jet as a toy. Business owners see a tool.